talk about sorting. I want to sort, I have some data here. I have last name, grade level, city, others data, and I want to sort. Right now, I'll say I want to sort by last name. If I want to sort by last name, I need to place my cursor in a cell in the last name column. Any cell, doesn't matter. If I wanted to sort by grade level, I'd want to click in a cell in the grade column. If I wanted to sort by city, I would need to click in a cell in the city column. Okay, that's your first thing you need to do. So I want to sort by last name, so I'm going to click in a cell in the last name column. There are two different ways to sort in Excel. From the Home tab, you go to the ribbon all the way to the right, and you see a button that says Sort and Filter. You have to click on that drop-down arrow, and you get choices of sorting. That's one way, from the Home tab. I can also sort from the Data tab. If I click on the Data tab, almost right underneath the Data tab, there's some other buttons regarding sorting. Here, they're individual buttons. This A to Z is a button, this Z to A is a button, this sort is a button. So they're individual buttons versus in Home, you have a drop-down. Okay, so I want to sort by last name. I've clicked in a cell in the last name column. I'm going from the Home tab all the way over here to Sort and Filter. You do want to notice here, I've highlighted a few records. I did that so that you could see that the records stay intact even after I sort. Okay, again, over here, the Sort and Filter button, I'm going to click Sort A to Z because that's what I want to do alphabetically. And now when I look at the last name column, I'll see it's A, B, C, D, F, G, H. It's alphabetical, and those records that I had in yellow are still intact. So I sorted successfully. So say this time I want to sort by by grade level. So I would do this, what I mentioned earlier. I'm going to click in any cell in the grade column, click in any cell in the grade column. This time I'll go to the data. No, I'll still go to home. Home, sort and filter. And now you see it says smallest to largest. It didn't say that before. When we were in the last name and we clicked here, it said sort A to Z. The difference is when we're doing last name, we're sorting text, and you sort that A to Z or alphabetically. When we're in the grade column, we're sorting numbers. So that's not text, that's numbers. And when I click here, then it says smallest to largest. So because Excel knows the data, it knows you're going to sort alphabetically when you have text, and you're going to sort smallest to largest when you have numbers. Okay? So I'm in grade, I want to sort smallest to largest. I click on that cell, and I click, and I look, and I have 9, 10, 11, 12. So it did sort smallest to largest. And again, my yellow record stayed intact. Okay, so say now I want to sort by city. I'm going to click in a cell in the city column, click a cell. This time let's do it by the data tab. I'm going to click on the data tab. And again, all the sort and filters are over here in the sort and filter group. I'm going to choose A to Z. It tells me sort A to Z there. Click. And now when I go to city, I'm sorted alphabetically by city, Ackworth, Austell, Canton, Kennesaw. And my yellow records are still intact. And that's how you sort.